Corroded fittings, rusted cables, twisting lines. What you're seeing here is not Cable Bullet. This is a cheap cable railing hardware you can buy on Amazon right now. It's been installed for about a year here in Indiana, so far, far away from any weather conditions that would cause anyone to need to replace their railing hardware. We want to show you how investing in a quality system is worth more than the long-term costs of cutting corners. This is Evan. He's a homeowner who installed this system from Amazon.
When I'm looking for a product, especially a DIY or a home improvement product, I'm always looking for the middle of the road. The system I currently installed, I was definitely very disappointed with. It was, in my opinion, the middle of the road at the time. There was definitely quite a bit of slack in the cables. The ferrules were coming out of the posts as well as corroding.
We have Evan's full story in a separate video. You can find that through the link in the description or through the button in the corner. Evan thought he was getting the middle of the road system, but he quickly found quality is more than a price tag. We look at quality in a few different dimensions. The first is the obvious material quality. According to the manufacturer of these cheap fittings, these are made from Type 316 stainless steel that have been treated with a black oxide finish. In all our testing, we have never seen those materials rust and corrode like these have, at least not in such a short time frame in the Midwest. This is a prototype cable bullet tensioner. It's made from Type 316 stainless steel and also has been treated with the same black oxide finish. It's been exposed to the same Indiana weather as these fittings from Amazon for almost 3 years now. As you can see, there's no rust or corrosion, just normal weathering. Now, we can't definitively say if these are made from the materials the manufacturer claims, but we can say that it shouldn't look like this. Not from mild Indiana weather, and certainly not in such a short amount of time. All cable bullet tensioners and fittings are made locally in the United States. Because of that, we can easily monitor the material quality of our products and ensure that you don't experience these same problems. We use true Type 316 stainless steel in all our stainless steel tensioners and 6061 T6 aluminum in our black anodized fittings, an architectural grade material and finish. They are thoroughly stress tested for tension strength, and we even simulate aging in a variety of environments to ensure color consistency over years, not months. When products arrive in our warehouse, we inspect them and pack them by hand. When your order ships, it goes out in strong, custom-designed boxes that have been carefully packaged to ensure that everything arrives in pristine condition. The other aspect of quality is the installation experience. Our installation kits come with everything needed to install your railing and instructions that have been vetted by regular people who have actually installed our system. Whether you're a first-time DIYer or a long-time contractor, we've carefully designed our systems to be an easy install. And unlike our competitors, our cable railing won't unwind. Our patented bullet lock tensioning system is secured by driving a set screw against a crimped cable end, stretching the line, not twisting it. Because you aren't twisting the cable like you do with other systems, there's no risk of the cable twisting over time. And if you do encounter any issues at all, our in-house support team will work with you through any problems or complications. We stand fully behind our products every step of the way with a 5-year warranty on the finish of our railing and a 10-year structural warranty on all railing components. You can order the cheap stuff on Amazon, and you might save money if your railing doesn't fall apart on you. But if you want the certainty of knowing your railing is high quality, will last for years, and will keep you safe, we would love to send you a free sample so you can see for yourself. Hit the link in the description. We're here to help you get the railing you deserve.